Understanding Porch Flooring, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, porch flooring. This is a common term in English, especially in contexts related to housing and architecture. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Before we understand porch flooring, it's essential to know what a porch is. A porch is an outdoor area at the entrance of a building, typically a house. It's usually covered and can be enclosed or open. Porches are common in many parts of the world and serve as a space to relax, enjoy the outdoors, or greet visitors. Now, let's talk about flooring. Flooring refers to the material used to cover the floor of a room or area. It can be made of various materials like wood, tile, concrete, or carpet. The choice of flooring depends on the use of the area, the desired aesthetic, and the climate. So, what is porch flooring? It's the flooring used specifically for a porch. This type of flooring needs to be durable and often weather-resistant, as it is exposed to the elements. Common materials for porch flooring include wood, composite materials, and stone. It's an important part of a porch's design and functionality. Porch flooring is not just functional, it also plays a significant role in the aesthetic appeal of a building. The right porch flooring can enhance the beauty of a house and even increase its value. It's an element that connects the interior of the house to the natural world outside. I hope this video has helped you understand the term porch flooring. It's a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore other interesting English phrases and terms. Happy learning!